Hello everyone, happy Sunday. I hope everyone is having a good day. I am having a good day. I'm kind of resting it out. Today's my birthday, so I'm excited to see another year. So today I'm going to be doing a sympathy card, but I'm going to be using two shades of purple. The first will be Distress Oxide, which is the Seedless Preserves, and the other would be Wilted Violet that I'll be using. I also will be using a brush, just a regular paintbrush, not a regular paintbrush, or paintbrush, whatever. And I am going to be using for the first time a watercolor paper by Tim Holtz that I will be using with this brush, and of course a couple of die cuts, a die cut and an embossing folder, and of course my sentiments and what have you. So I am going to go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just, whoops, if I can not paint myself, that'll be good. I'm just going to go ahead right now and just get a little bit of this purple background here, which is the Seedless Preserves. And in that way, I'm going to get just a light background for the more, the darker area that I want. So I'm just going to be swooshing this around um, just to get like the water color thingy. And I'm just going to kind of like slide it down, just to get some sort of effect on there. Just dash in different places, because I want when I'm done, there would be this, splashy looking thing on there. So it will just be a switch. Okay, so pretty much that's it. That's my background. I am now going to go ahead and take this here. Let me grab my piece of paper towel to get up the extra. See, here is the beginning of another piece of paper towel you can use for card making, but it's entirely up to you. So let's get this cleaned off, and then let's go to the second part, which is to go ahead and cut out the piece that I need for that. Okay, so we have this piece here, so you can see it's really nice. Next thing I'm going to do is I am going to get my other stamping tool so I can get some kind of a watercolor flower. So I'm going to do a watercolor for this here. But in this case, I'm going to grab my flower. Okay, now I don't want the entire flower on top, so I'm going to angle it, in a way that I can just kind of have just a little bit of flower side. I'm going to use now, this is the other, which is Wilted Violet. And I'm going to go ahead and spray again. Get as much of it out. Get my brush going. And now I'm going to pick up my flower. And I'm just going to lightly brush it up with some of that water, that color, nice purple water thingy. Now, if you can see, it is still pretty wet, but at least you get the idea what I'm needing. And I'm going to just soak up a little bit. I don't want to do too much, to get it all spoiled. So I'm just kind of lightly dabbing the excess water. Sorry, guys. Yeah, I'm dabbing off just the excess. Okay, guys, so I am back. So this is completely dry. So now I'm going to go ahead and continue from where I left off. If you can see, it's more like a watercolor, you know, just really nice, I think. And with I went ahead and just get this piece cut out. It says forever remembered, always loved. I will be taking a gold, what you call it, oh my goodness, what's wrong with me these days? I forgot, but I'm just going to lightly like do the edges with gold. Okay, so at this point you will be able to, you know, see a little more of the gold around. And with this one, I'll just kind of lightly run it through like this, you know, just, although it doesn't matter, but you know, if you want, you can kind of go more, you know, like to the edges with this one here. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and get this piece adhered on here. However, I wanted to give it a little more of a dramatic effect. So I'm going to go ahead and basically emboss the top part of this. Now, as you can see, now I have this lovely pattern on top here, which I wanted because I just felt the front of the card was just too plain, you know, instead of, so now I'm going to go ahead and adhere this to the front. And now I will go ahead and just add the sentiment on the bottom. Just going to put a good amount of glue on there. Okay, so here it is, guys. Just very simple. It hasn't, you know, stuck completely yet, but at least I want you to see. So this would be the design for the simple sympathy card. If you like this design, let me know. And again, this is trying to do some kind of watercoloring. Guys, thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day and happy 4th of July. See you guys next week. Bye.